back to my YouTube channel Mobile Apps Expert. Today I am going to introduce you with a very unique, excellent made in India application that's name is APK Share. It is a very useful application and you can use it to backup, share, launch any of the applications either by manually or by voice command. And apart from that, you can see your device details also in that particular application. Now let's start to launch it. This is, you can see the icon here, this is the APK Share application, and let's start to launch it. Now you can see this is very good UX application. You can see it's amazing viewing experience in this application. Now let me introduce you about its features. You can see there are three tabs. One is of all apps, another is of system apps, and another one is of the downloaded apps. You can see that it shows the list of all the applications installed in this particular device. All the application that has been installed in the particular device, you can see it here. Now this section, system app section, is of those applications that comes preloaded with the device. Means these are the system applications that comes from the device manufacturer side, preloaded in the binary of the devices. You cannot remove it until and unless you root your device. So it is the preloaded applications, and these sections means of the downloaded app section, these are those applications that's got downloaded from the Google Play Store. Means these applications are the downloaded applications that you can easily remove from your device also. So the unique feature of this APK Share app is that you can backup, share even the system apps and both the downloaded apps also without even rooting the device. Without rooting, you can even backup the system apps as well as the downloaded apps from this particular APK Share application. Now let me show you how it happens. You can see that whenever I long press here, you will get the options of app details, launch app, backup, APK, share APK. Now let me show to backup this Chrome app. Chrome is the preloaded app, system app. Still it will backup it. See, now you can see the backup APK list from here. Here you can see that Chrome has been backed up here. Now see, you can backup any other application also. Let me backup Netflix application. So I click here and backup it. You can see this toast message that its location is showing the location where it has been backed up. So you can see here the Netflix application has been backed up here. So in the same way, you can share any of the applications. If you want to share the backup APK of the calculator app, that is the system app, still you can share it. So if I press the share APK, it will back up the calculator app. You can see here, and you can share it by any means, either by Wi-Fi direct or using the WhatsApp, Google Drive, any means, Bluetooth, any means that you want. So apart from that, the most important feature of this app is that in spite of doing it manually, you can do these things of launching application, backup of application, and the sharing of application by using the voice command also. You have to press this button and you have to say what you want to do. Like if you want to backup the clock application, suppose, so I will here say backup clock. You will see that clock app has been backed up here at this location. So this is very good feature, this voice command. So how to use this voice command for other purposes, you can see the how to use usage here in the help section. Here it is mentioned. Means for sharing an APK by voice command, you have to say the keyword share and the application name. Means if you want to share Amazon app, you have to say share Amazon. If you have to backup any application, you have to say keyword backup, after that application name. Means if you have to backup calculator app, say backup calculator. If you have to launch any application, you have to say launch keyword and the application name. Means if you want to launch WhatsApp, then you have to say launch WhatsApp. that's that's the great feature of this app. Apart from that, you can see the device details also here, means which brand device you are using, and what is model number, what is IMI number, what is your device serial number, all the features that you want to see in the settings and the different sections of the device. You did not to go to the different screens. All the features, all of the device specifications of the device, you can see in the single window within this application in the device details section. So overall, this is a great application, and the most important thing is that it is made in India application. So it is a really great application. We must download this application as much as possible, and use made in application APK share, made in India application APK share as much as possible. I will also share you the Google Play Store download link of this application in my video description. So you will surely like it, I am 100% sure. So thank you friend for watching my video till the last, and I hope that you must have enjoyed it. So I request you to please subscribe and like my video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.